You all get printables.
Welcome to my channel where I post every week, and I'm going to be posting a lot of free printables and plan with me's. I will show them up close in a minute, but you can print it on different colored paper. You could print it on 2 pages per sheet. You could print it black and white. This is 2 pages per sheet, black and white obviously, and this is 2 pages per sheet. One color, the normal color. Oh, thanks Mason. I'm watching my nephew today, so he's filming with me. And this is the regular one. I get so excited just making printables, and sometimes I don't even use them myself because I make so many of them and I can only use so many at a time. So I hope you use these printables. If you do, make sure to hashtag Sunflower Child Doodles on Instagram so I can see. The free printables link is in the description box, and I'm also going to leave a link to all the other products that I used in the description box. Everything's from Amazon. It is affiliated, but the price does not increase for you. So the part that I'm taping now was just some scrap paper I had lying around. Other than that, everything else I used is from my free printables, the gratitude box and everything else. I used my AdTech Crafters tape to tape everything down. It's like this double-sided sticky stuff. If you don't have it, it's definitely a must. The rose picture is also just a cut-up piece from the scrap paper. I really like how this came together. I decided to do just a single page spread dedicated for my weekend, well I guess it's not a weekend, it's during the week, girls trip. And I wanted to use my vintage printables, and I figured what better way to use my vintage printables than for a girls trip, because I feel like it's really girly and elegant, and that is just how me and my best friend are. We're gonna drink wine, we're gonna go to Universal Halloween Horror Nights, and we're gonna take bubble baths and just have a great time. It's only a few hours away from where we live, so it's just a quick getaway for us. For the gratitude box, I put for my best friend, Desiree. I feel like that went well with this spread. The 3 colors I used are from Tombow. I used 990, 992, and 79. The 990 is the lightest, the 992 is the medium color, and the 79 is the darkest. I used my 990 to write out girls trip, and then I realized that wasn't the color I wanted to use, so I went back over it with my 992, and then I made my shadow with the 79, and then I went over the shadow on the right side of all the shadows with my lightest color, 990. See, it's right there in the screen. And this is just a simple spread. It came out, I did this in like 20 or 30 minutes. And I didn't even plan this out. I happened to have a luggage tag on this printable, and it was more after the fact that I realized I wanted to do a packing list. This packing list obviously isn't realistic. I just put a few key points that I thought would be cute to make this spread more cute. I just put wine, bubble bath, and the event tickets, because realistically I don't need a packing list. I always have one in my phone because it's like 100 things long, so I wasn't actually gonna write a legitimate packing list. I wanted to keep this cute and fun for my bullet journal. Thanks for watching.